Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow eggs full guide. Combine 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup corn syrup, and 1/4 cup water in a saucepan and heat to dissolve. Bloom 2 tablespoons gelatin in 1/4 cup water, then whisk into the hot syrup. Beat 2 egg whites with vanilla to stiff peaks, then gently fold into the gelatin syrup to create a glossy marshmallow base ready for molding. Whipping properly is key for fluffy marshmallow eggs. Start with clean, dry bowls and cold egg whites to get maximum volume. Slowly stream the hot sugar syrup into the whites while whisking steadily to stabilize the structure. Keep whisking until you see glossy, thick peaks that hold shape without collapsing. The texture should be pillowy but firm enough to pipe into molds, so patience here gives the best results. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and notes anywhere, even in a sunny kitchen. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Molding and setting decide the final shape and chew of your marshmallow eggs. Prepare molds by oiling lightly and dusting with powdered sugar mix to prevent sticking. Use a piping bag to fill each cavity evenly, tapping molds gently to remove air pockets. Smooth surfaces with a wet spatula and cover loosely to protect from dust. Allow the eggs to set undisturbed for several hours until they pop out cleanly and hold form.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.